And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Now just a quick 2-minute tip on how to change Q button on the X-T30 for you to use it as a back button focus button. So you can back focus with that button there, instead of either using the AL button or the wheel rear dial. You can rear press in and not. So we'll change that to do the autofocus. Let's dive into the menus. Go to the wrench, button and dial settings, shutter AF. We change AFS to off. So what we've got now is shutter button does nothing, as in won't focus. So what we need to change now is so the Q menu does. So if we hold display and back, hold it down, we'll get to the menu and you come all the way down to the Q button. Go into the Q button and we've got quick menu at the moment. It's page 7 of 7, so we go up, go to AF on. We click to AF on and come out of it. Now, when you press Q button, it'll focus. You can use the back button or the shutter button on the NFC because we never change that to off. But in single, we can't use shutter release, but we can use that one. So that's back button focusing using the Q button. If you want to change it to that, especially if you find it annoying where you catch it and the Q menu suddenly pops up. So now you can use it for back button focusing. Enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Want to see more like this? Hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Till next time, see you later.